Question number 96. If chromosome number in gamete of fruit fly is 4, then what will be the chromosome number in meiocyte? You should know about the relationship of meiocyte and a gamete in terms of ploidy level. Meiocyte is 2n, whereas a gamete is n. If the chromosome number in the gamete is 4, then definitely in a meiocyte it will be double or 2 times, that is 2 into 4, that is 8. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 97. In which one of the following plants both autogamy and geitonogamy are prevented? What is autogamy and geitonogamy? I think we should discuss before moving into the details of this question. Autogamy takes place when pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. It is called the autogamy. What is geitonogamy? Geitonogamy happens when a plant bears unisexual flowers, means the sex organs are present on the same plant but not in the same flower. And now the pollen grains are transferred from one flower to the stigma of the another flower. So this is geitonogamy. In which condition both autogamy and geitonogamy can be prevented? In those plants which are dioecious, means those plants in which the male and the female flowers are present on the separate plants, right? So in this condition, the both autogamy and the geitonogamy is prevented. So you have to find out the dioecious plant. And what is the dioecious plant in the given examples? It is the date palm. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 98. Select the odd one with respect to the structure developed after fertilization. Ovary fruits. It is true that fruits are developed from ovary after fertilization. Zygote embryo. It is also true. Ovule seed. Yes, because a fertilized ovule is called the seed. Endosperm embryo sac. No, embryo sac is formed before fertilization in angiosperms. It is not the fertilized structure. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 99. Which of the following statements about apomixis is wrong? Apomixis is a kind of sexual reproduction which mimics asexual reproduction. In apomixis, there is seed formation but no fertilization. So the first statement is apomictic seeds are produced without fertilization. It is true. Apomictic embryos and zygotic embryos both are diploid. Yes, zygote is diploid. Apomixis is genetically controlled. Yes, every plant cannot show apomixis. Why? Because it is genetically controlled phenomenon. Those plants which have genes for apomixis can only show apomixis. Every plant is not responsible or cannot show the apomixis. Fourth one, apomictic embryos are genetically identical to zygotic embryos. No, it is not true. Why? Because zygotic embryo is a result of fusion of male and the female gamete. It is sexual reproduction, so definitely there will be variations in the zygotic embryo. But the apomictic embryo is directly formed from the mother tissue. So there is no variations because no fertilization is involved. So both will be genetically different. But yes, all the apomictic embryos will be genetically identical to each other, but not to the zygotic embryo. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 100. Perisperm is triploid endosperm? No, triploid endosperm is the nutritive tissue found in the angiosperms, but it is not the perisperm. Tegmen of the seed? No, it is the seed coat. Chalazal end of the ovule? No, there is no such name of the chalazal end of the ovule. Second, persistent nucellus. Yes, the nucellus is generally consumed during the development, but In some seeds you will find the nucellus because it is persistent and it is called the perisperm. It is seen in seeds of beet, black pepper, etc. So the correct option is option number 2. Let's move to the next question.